Now, the largest empty circle problem is also called the toxic base dump problem. So when you have the Voronoi diagram and when you have the sides, we are looking for the circle which will not contain any sides. So the biggest circle which I can locate in my Voronoi diagram, which does not have any sides inside. So why we have this one? For example, you have cities. Let's again imagine, and you are looking for the one place where for the toxic base dump stuff. So you're looking for the place which will be far away from all cities, which you have there. So you can have this, but it's not the largest one. So you're looking for the largest one. And when these largest occur, you can have on the edges, on the edge of the circle, the sides, but you cannot have them inside. So we are looking for this kind of circle. So the center of this circle is always one of these edges. So one of these vertices. So when you have this word, the center of the circle must be there. You have to check the radius. Which radius is the largest? That circle will be the largest circle for your Voronoi diagram. So as you can see, this vertex is equidistant for the B, A, and D. So just to calculate this distance between 2 points, and also from this one, you calculate the distance. Whichever distance is the longest, it will be the radius of the largest circle. So let's see in practice. In the problem, find the center and the radius of the largest empty circle for these sides. Okay, we have how many sides? 4 sides here. So we have 2 vertices. So our center of the circle is either what's the location is 1 and 2, or it's 0 and -1. So let's check the radiuses. So these radius, okay, you can check any of them. Let's find this one. Distance between 1 and 2 and B. So what's the location of B is actually 2 and 5. So we are looking for this distance. If you remember, how do you find the distance? In the square root y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. So in the square root we have 5 minus 2 squared plus 2 minus 1 squared. So it will be 9, 1, root of 10. So it's this distance. Let's call distance 1, the radius 1. And let's check with this and D, or you can go this word and C and A equidistant. Let's go with D2 and calculate it. D2 will be again the same square root. The location of this D2 is -2 and -5. So let me write directly. So it will be -5 minus -1 square plus -2 minus 0 square. So it will be 16 for root of 20. So which one is the longest? D1 or D2? Of course, D2 is bigger than D1, so D2 will be the radius of our circle, and so the center is here. It may be approximately, it should not contain D, maybe something like this, not containing A, C, and D. They're equidistant, so they're actually the radiuses. So this one will be more appropriate to draw like this, our circle. So the center of our circle 0 and -1, and the radius is root of 20.